We are going through the analytics for this channel that you're currently on, Amanda's Numbers. So I present on Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, my growing channel that's doing a little bit better, way more interesting. But as I'm creating this channel, which essentially is a channel about YouTube for the most part, I want to track my info and my story, my journey. I always wondered if this channel would take off, being a channel about YouTube. It's not. Let's jump right into it. We're going over April. However, I am right now clicked on March because I want to show you March. 112 views, 3.6 watch time hours, and 2 subscribers. Let's click to April to see if it got better or worse. It got worse. So we're not growing on this channel. We're not trending up. Nothing good is really happening. I don't do shorts on this channel. Let's go ahead and see more in the content. Okay, so let's just look at the bold line. Don't really even worry about the content right now. Let's add average view duration and average percentage viewed. These are the stats that I like to see for the most part. Okay, let's just go ahead and go here for now and let's look at these videos for the month of April. People watch about 23.5%. I find that shocking, honestly, which is an average view duration of 1:33. My videos do range quite a bit. There's some that are more like 15 minutes. There's some that are more like 3 minutes. It depends on which channel I'm talking about. I have more to say about certain ones. For the month of April, we got 82 views. 42 of those came from one single video, which was about Pinterest. I do think Pinterest is a very searchable thing. People want to know about Pinterest. So, whereas my other titles and thumbnails aren't as like searchable. It also had a great graph on it. I think that was a good thumbnail without having a picture of myself. I think that was a strong thumbnail. Now for a 4-minute video, people were watching almost 50% of it at 2 minutes. So that one, this was bringing up my percentage, bringing up my average view duration, bringing up my views. Watch time, almost all my watch time. No subscribers, that's fine. And honestly, a great click-through rate. That's amazing for my channel. All right, so my second video here, I think this one was Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, maybe February. I could tell the numbers were falling off. It was either March or February. So the average view duration, the average percentage viewed only like 12% on that one, which was like 1:50, still better than my like average. 5 views, 0.2 watch time hours, not a lot of impressions, click-through rate, not great. Overall, I'm just not getting the impressions. I'm just not. This month, I believe I published 8 videos. I only got 1,000 impressions. That's like really terrible to only get like 200 impressions. I should be getting 200 views on a video. Not should be. I don't think you are owed views. I would like to be seeing 200 views on a video. Yeah, once you get down to these really tiny view amounts, I feel like the numbers, I might have accidentally watched a video, so I don't trust any of them. It's terrible. Honestly, it's just really going terrible. Let me click out of here real quick and let me double check April. Oh, wait a minute. Was March? Oh, hang on. March is the one where I did 8 videos and it didn't really help my channel that much. And then April, I dropped back down and I believe I did 5 videos. I just couldn't keep up that momentum and that pace. I have a life. I have children. I'm busy. I'm running 3 channels right now, so it's been hectic. Overall, it's just not going well on this channel. I still am documenting and doing these videos. I am trying to keep them minimal. I'm not doing the best thumbnails, which I should do better on that. I'm not doing a lot of like hair and makeup. I mowed the grass today. I'm kind of gross. It is what it is. I'm trying to keep the edits very, very simple. Just for fun, I will show you on this current day. We are at 14 subscribers and 13 public watch time hours. This channel is probably never going to get monetized. And it is what it is. We'll see. Maybe when one of my channels gets monetized, it will, because it'll get some views once I make that video. But for now, this channel is just a very, very basic diary, essentially journaling my progress struggling on YouTube. Okay, so this was April of 2025 on this second YouTube channel that I have. Thank you for checking it out. And I've got tons of playlists. And like I said, I got 3 different channels that you can check out how they're doing and what they look like over time. Thank you so much for watching this. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.